Hello YouTube, this is Aiden with Vlogs. I'm making another Metro Conflict video. This one we're going to use the M4A1. And I finally got it upgraded a ton. I was looking forward to that. So yeah. Alright, let's do this. I'm waiting for everybody to get in the game.
Battle start.
I like that guy trying to shoot me across the map. I don't think I like that.
Fire in the hole! Grenade! Reload! Changing mag.
Oopsie. Oh my god. Oh my god. He doesn't know that I can heal. It's not as bad anymore. Alright, let's get back down. So I can bring more action for y'all. This is a one shot and doing this. This is been a one shot. Oh gosh, I can't do this. I cannot do that.
Reload!
Too many people. I've been warmed up. What? No way. I hate the shotguns in this game.
Reload!
Let's go ahead and heal. What? How come every time I'm in a situation like that, I can't even get up?
Fire in the hole!
That. I'm done. I swear if I get killed by that shotgun one more time, I'm literally leaving. End the video. Woo! I'm so mad. Okay, that's not the shotgun guy.
Changing mag.
If I die by any shotgun, I am done.
Fire in the hole!
It is done. Probably not gonna upload this now. Let's go in here. I like this hole. All the ball. All the ball. All the ball.
Reload!
All the ball. All the ball. The shotgun guy.
Changing.
Oh! Alright. I told you I'd do it. I'm out. Guys, it's Aiden here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.